welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited because I am gonna do a haul of a luxury bag that I recently received. I decided for my birthday this year that, you know, I'm not gonna go out and just buy another Michael Kors bag or, you know, something small. Like, I wanted to go big this year. So I went on the Gucci website and just browsed, you know, a few of the collections that they had, and I fell in love with the Gucci Blooms collection. And I know everyone's out there with the, you know, with the flops, whatever. Yeah, no, the bags are everything. These bags are absolutely amazing. They almost look like they're hand painted on, and that's what I fell in love with. And personally, I also just like floral details. I'm floral everything. You'll probably see throughout this channel I have a lot of floral clothing and, you know, bags and etc. So yeah, I decided to go out and splurge a little, and I got my first luxury bag. Yay! So I am gonna do a review and an unboxing, so keep watching. All right, so when you open the box, it comes in this beautiful, almost feels like silk, dust bag that says Gucci on it. Beautiful, beautiful. And then you open it up and she is in here. Look at this, guys. Look at this bag. This bag is absolutely amazing. Can we look at the detail? Can we appreciate this detail? Oh my God. When I saw this bag, I knew I had to have it. The detail on this is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. It is gorgeous. When I saw this online, I died. I died. I also went into store and looked at it, and I fell in love. Look at this. This snake, little push, not a push, but you know, the little opener and closer for the bag. I mean, beautiful. The detail in that is absolutely crazy. Now, this is the Dionysus GG Blooms mini bag, so it is pretty small. I have a Samsung 9, and it fits just that and maybe some cards, like a card holder, but that's it. But one really neat thing is that if you look right here, they do have kind of a keychain add-on, so you can add your keys onto here so they're not taking up the space in the bag, you know. So yeah, I saw this and I fell in love, and I've shown this to my friends, and a lot of them are like, hey, like, why did you get this? Like, it's so small, it's so tiny. But the detail compared to the other Bloom purses, the bigger ones, it just didn't have this beautiful, you see this beautiful floral detail right here on the side? The other bags did not have that at all. Like, they had a very minor, small detail like that, but they didn't have it as extensive as they do on the small mini bag. So I just had to have it. So yeah, I'm absolutely in love. There was no disappointments. And to be honest, if I just saw this online and got this shipped to me without even looking in store, I would buy it again 10 times, because it is absolutely amazing. And I can't say enough about it. It is a gorgeous bag, and I really love it. And I think the mini bags are in now, so I don't even mind it at all. So yeah, so what I will do is at the end of this video, I will add on some pictures so you can really see the bag from all sides, because I know the video is capturing some detail, but I definitely feel the pictures will capture more of the detail. So yeah, I will insert some photos so you can see at the end. And thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review.